O re tāua o ngā luenga whaawhai aonga, o te manatu o la uwala awina lea. Teaching for Pacific learners is acknowledging that these students come from great, deep, sophisticated knowledge systems in terms of their ngafa, their genealogy, their whakapapa, and being able to bring and harness all of that collective ancestral wisdom into your classroom. A lot of these different disciplines in the Western sense are entrenched in our culture, in our songs, our tattoos, and our performing arts. E mawhai ona whesosoani ne whaasai nesi, so I fua wā lata lata, tala tuu ma mau whaale atunu I te tere o mataupu. I encourage the use of our Māori and Pacific languages within my classroom, and for some this might be a little gesture, but as a Pacific person it's quite powerful, and it signals to our Pacific students to not leave their culture at the door and to bring their culture into the classroom. Some of my students have performed Samoan dancing and have done the haka in their oral presentations, so really meeting that, ensuring that we have that intersection of classroom learning and Indigenous ways of storytelling interconnected.
What makes Dion an excellent teacher is that he's very charismatic. He's also very relatable. You know, he just has this welcoming presence about him. He often uses his own lived experiences to kind of, you know, just uplift us and give us a sense of hope. And he makes me feel like, yeah, you know what, I can do this.
Dion's teaching style is unique because it's deeply relational, it is culturally responsive and grounded in Pacific values, which as a Māori student I really resonate with. He created a learning environment that felt safe and empowering and culturally grounded.
Being of Māori and Pacifica myself, he's always pushing me to be authentically Māori, authentically Pacifica, because he's authentically Pacifica himself.
I've always looked at my students as leaders of the future because they're going to move things forward. So I love talking to them and hearing what they dislike about society or see how society can be improved, and then aligning their skill sets so then they're able to make the real life change that they want to see in the world. For my Pacific students, I never lower the bar for them. In fact, because they're Pacific, I expect higher from them. We are genealogically as Pacific people connected to all the wisdom of our ancestors before us and a lot of our chiefs and our elders that are alive now. So ensuring that we're able to transfer those knowledge, whether it's from your Samoan dance group or whether it's from your Tongan church, and being able to bring those skills that you have in those cultural settings into my classroom. That's learning. O se whiawhianga siri lea ne whaasoa atu ma le whetūwhaai, o se iloa ma se ata mai. Ia I lātou nei ne ngei vaenga o le lātou o langa tau mawhai I se talitonunga mawalanga. Ai o se whaea I le ngei tō whinga. Le whausia ina lea o se maota mautu ma malosi.